Hi, I'm Brenda Dupuy, and this is week 6, my vlog. I run a mental health group, and each meeting we go over a number of questions that help each person manage their mental health. We are a closed group for the fact that the information that we talk about is private and personal, and we don't want anything to get out. The purpose of our group is to offer support to each other and give understanding. To help them understand what they are feeling is okay. I average about 5 to 7 people each meeting. I meet twice a week, and about 5 to 7 people. We gather through Zoom. I do have some people that are out of state, so this allows my group to not be limited to a certain area. It can be offered to anybody in any state, and they just log in on Zoom and join our meeting. They do have to do an application process to join our meetings, though. Our group dynamics, we are a group of men and women ages 25 to 53. We are patient and kind to one another. No one is better or worse than each other, than the other person. The roles of the members is to listen and give each member is there to listen to each other and to offer support. And each member has a different disorder, so it's nice to offer support to one another. Our activities is that we do a book. It's a 14-week course, and we do our workbook. And this is our group guidelines. Healthy comfort offers respect, encouragement, and compassionate support. Healthy confidentiality, create a safe place to share by listening confidentially. Healthy communication, avoid fixing anyone's challenges, correcting, debating, or using offensive language. Healthy community, discover hope and useful tools while learning from one another's journey. So that's the main function of our group, is just to listen and to offer support and to let each other know that they are not alone in this. And each person in my group has a different disorder. So it makes for a great conversations. People talk and share, and it's an amazing time. I believe I have been effective in allowing people to feel safe. They feel safe, I know, because they tell me and tell the group certain things about them that they're going through, about their medications, their doctor's visits. So I know I've been effective by talking, allowing them to talk. When they share information, it's allowing me to know that I'm doing my job. One area of improvement, I believe, is that our time together is short. I'm supposed to keep it at an hour. Sometimes we go over, so it gives each person some time to talk, and I don't want to cut anyone short and tell them that they have to be done or wrap it up or something like that. So a little bit more time would be great. Thank you so much, and that's my vlog.